Hello, welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Ben.
My name's Matilda.
So today's video is a little bit different, so it's like more of a cooking one that we're doing. So what we've done, let me flip the camera around just to make it a little bit easier, is Matilda there is sat next to our new Ninja air fryer. So we bit the bullet, we decided to buy one, and we've got one out, Matilda. So it's the dual zone technology air fryer. I think it's the AF400. So it's the large capacity 2 drawers. So we didn't do an unboxing video because we forgot, didn't we, Matilda?
Yeah.
We used it last night. You had a quick go on it. We did some chips, which were lovely, weren't they? We had some chips for our pasta dish, which double carbs, but it doesn't matter, does it? So we thought we'd do a video tonight of what we're cooking. So show us what we're cooking, Tilda. We've got some.
We're cooking chicken goujons.
So some breaded chicken mini fillets from Asda. They're not frozen, they're just the refrigerated ones. So we're going to do them. So we're hoping to do them in one tray.
Okay.
We'll see how we get on with that. And then in the other tray, we're going to make some more chips. So just don't open it yet, Matilda. Okay. So we're going to, first step we need to do, Matilda, is peel and chop some potatoes. Let's do that first, okay?
Okay. We just realised we don't have any potatoes. So my mummy's gone to go get them from the shop. There's no potatoes, so we have to get some chips instead.
Okay, so as Matilda said, there were no potatoes, so we've got frozen chips instead.
Yeah.
So just to show you, we've got this Ninja here, and we're going to put it there so it's under the hob, under the extractor on the hob, so we can put that on if we need to. Because if you look round the back, you got some like vents on the back here where the air and like the hot air comes out. So we will just open if it's a little bit greasy, at least it's near the oven and not on the wall. So it's not that heavy anyway to carry it over really.
And we've got crinkle chips.
Crinkle cut chips, haven't we? Yeah. So we're having a look at the guide. So the guide here says frozen crinkle cut chips, 500 grams of them, 210, 18 to 20 minutes. And then we've got chicken dippers down here.
Chicken
that says frozen. How's that frozen? But it says 400 grams of them, 9 to 10 minutes. So we've got our chips, that's not a problem. We've got the southern fried chicken mini fillets. It says oven cooking 15, it's 305 grams. So I reckon we try 15 minutes for the chicken, Matilda.
Yep.
And then 20 minutes for the chips. So we'll put them on for 5. 20. 5 minutes in, we'll put the chicken in. Okay. Alright, let's give it a go.
Yeah.
Go then until load the chips up.
Until it fills up.
Come on, don't drop them.
Until it fills up.
Don't fill it up, just enough for us to eat. Come on, get on with it. Big handfuls in. Not one at a time, we'll be here all day. That's it, keep going. So that's probably about enough for Oliver. So look, that's it, keep going.
My hands are sick. My hands.
Just get on with it, put them in. Keep going. A few more, come on Tills, so slow. So we'll cook them, obviously we can give them a bit of a shake midway through, can't we? So I reckon we've got maybe just a few more. We don't need that many because we're having chicken in the bread. Okay, that'll do for chips. Okay, so chips are ready. We haven't put it on yet, but they're ready. Til's going to put the chicken in now. Go for it, Til's. 2 packs of chicken. Just don't mind, just go for it. You do them ones, I'll do these ones. So we're just going to put them in like that. Just kind of not to like that, look.
Okay.
Stand them on their end to start with. Like that. Yeah. Like so. Just give it a minute. Okay, so they're in. So they've got space around them, but we'll see how we get on. Okay, so we've got chicken on left in tray 1, chips in tray 2. So close them. Tilda, press the power button. Okay, so the whole thing's on. So the left hand side, Tilda.
That one?
Yeah. So look, you got air fry. Not sure. Air fry, roast, and max crisp. I think what we'll do on one, which is a chicken, we'll go air fry, and then we'll go 190. In fact, let's go to 2 first. Switch over to 2 because I'm going to start cooking on 2, can't we, Tilda?
Yeah.
So 2, we said air fry, which is this side. Air fry at crinkle chips are 2, not 2. So air fry. Oh, off. So 2. What's not in here? So 2 air fry. I don't want it too far, I want it 210. Okay, air fry 210 for 20 minutes. Start. Okay, set the chips 20 minutes. So the chicken side, let's go to the chicken side now. So we want to air fry again, but I think we go 190, and then when we're ready we'll start that. So 5 minutes in for the chips. We'll show you the chips after 5 minutes, and then we'll put the chicken on. Okay, Tils?
Yeah!
Okay, one of the reasons why we got the air fryer as well, just for the energy efficiency. So at the moment you can see it's on green there. Usually if I have the oven on, it'll be going crazy. It'll be like round at the red. So it definitely uses less energy, I think, whilst it's on. I think. Obviously that will only be a tell once we start getting our bills through, but it looks positive. Okay, here we go. Start for 15 minutes. 1. Time down to 20. Temperature 190. Air fry. Start. Okay, so they're both on now, both sides. Let's have a look at the chips on this side. Cooking, you can tell. It's back in. And it continues cooking. It's as simple as that. Really simple to use, really simple to get going. Okay, both sides on now. You can see we've crept up into that red zone. But it's definitely lower than when I have the oven on. The oven's usually booming right to that right hand side with the red. So better. Obviously not perfect, but end of the day it's still electricity being used. But I guess the beauty with this is there's no preheating, so it'll be on for less time as well. So around the back we've got the 2 vents. I can feel a bit of warm air coming out. It's not powerful though. You can definitely feel the warm air. But again, it's not red hot and it's not really powerful. Okay, more than halfway through the cooking process now, so let's check on the chips. They're definitely crisping up. They're definitely cooking. Let's close that one, let that continue to cook for another 8 minute 40. Let's have a look at this chicken. Let's have a feel. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting crispy. Definitely crisping up. So let that cook again. So about 8.5 minutes left on each of them. So far, so good. Obviously, as we've got children, having to make a second tea to go with it. Matilda's having a cheese toaster. Say no more. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
0.
End. So the chips are cooked. Looking good. The chicken ended. That is also, oh yes, that's lovely and crispy. Let me show Matilda. Don't touch his red hot. Lovely and crispy though. They look great, don't they? You look see the chips as well, Matilda. Chips look good. They look, yeah, lovely and they're all crispy, evenly crispy. They look brilliant. So just leave them open for a second just to cool down. Like that. I'll turn that off. Off. Right, we'll serve up, we'll try it and see what we think. And Matilda's toast is ready as well. Right, so let's have a look at this chicken, Matilda. So we've got southern fried chicken. Which is that one? And that one. Southern fried chicken, that one. And that one. It's lovely and crispy, lovely and crispy. Plain fried chicken. There we go. Chips.
My cheese.
How many chips do you want, Tils?
That's enough.
How is it, Matilda? All good?
Good.
Yeah? Crispy chicken?
I haven't eaten them yet.
Well, you try it. Chips are crispy. Oliver, what do you reckon? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
I'll try them now.
It's cooked it well. Not greasy.
They're nice.
Let's eat it. Okay, about 20 minutes since we cooked. The top of it's still quite hot. It's warm to touch. Not like red hot, but I don't think you want to put it away in a cupboard just yet. Back's cooled down, but that top is definitely quite warm. See inside of here, just got bits of still a bit greasy. So all I did last time, eat that bit, was pop them in the sink, like so, like that. You can dishwasher the insert grills. All I did last time was just do that. Base, just fill it with hot water. So fill that one up. Like so. Fill that one up like so. So I'll leave them to soak in the hot water, washing up liquid, I don't know, about an hour. Rinse them out, wipe them out, dry them down, put them back. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give you a bit of an overview of our new air fryer, the Ninja Dual Zone air fryer. Really good. I've done some homemade chips yesterday. Today I've done the chicken and the frozen chips. Really quick, really easy. Food were really nice, really crispy, really like quite fresh and clean. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. Managed to get ours for £160 off Very. It will reduce to £200. I made a discount code to get it to £159. So £159. It's really good. So yeah, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you didn't like the video, give it a dislike. If you got any ideas of what I should cook with the air fryer, drop it in the comments and we'll give that a go, do a video. I've seen a couple of things, some like biscuits, some pork belly, which look quite cool. But any ideas, drop them in, we'll give it a go. And if you want to follow along, please subscribe. Alright.